If you want to change quick settings theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can use the Good Luck app, which we can get from the Galaxy Store. So if you open the Galaxy Store, use the search option here in the upper right corner, and then we can search for Good Luck. And of course, this is the app that we're looking for. So we need to install it, and once you have it installed, you want to, of course, open it. Inside this app, you can find many additional plugins that allow you to customize your phone, or these plugins grant access to some of the features that are not available by default. And in this case, we need to find this one over here, Quick Start. We can just use this arrow on the right side to download and install this plugin, and once it is available, we want to open it. We're going to turn it on, and then here we have the panel theme, where we have some of the recommended themes that you can use easily on your phone. Let's say I'm going to choose this classic blue, and there we go. Now, as you can see, we have changed the appearance. But what you can also do is, of course, you can go to the Edit Panel Style, and over here you can individually adjust each of these options, each of these elements that we have on the panel to make something your own. And you can also go to Advanced Settings to find even more options, so of course be sure to check that out. Besides that, you can also use the Theme Park plugin, which you should be able to find somewhere on this list as well. And the Theme Park allows you to create your own style, your own theme. Over here we can go to the quick panel, and even you can find those that you may have got from the previous plugin, and in fact you can even edit them. So if you want to, you can customize them a little bit, and let's say I can adjust the transparency, so I can make the background completely transparent if I want to, and then we can just change the name a little bit, so then we can use it. So let's say I'm going to apply this one, and there we go. Now it looks like this. So besides that, you can tap on Create New to create your own theme from the basics. You can also switch to notifications, and you should be able to easily make changes here and there once you are done. By the way, you can also switch between the light and dark mode, but I don't think that changes that much, maybe only notifications over here. But then once you are done with the theme, just use the Save button here, set up the name, and then you can, of course, tap on that theme to apply it. And there we go. Now we have this own one. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.